In setting up the system's time and date, right-click on the area of time and date. Choose Adjust Time and Date option. Select On to set the time and date automatically. If you want to set it manually, just turn it off and select Change. Then select OK to apply the changes. In setting up the computer name, search this PC on the search bar. Then right-click on it and select Properties. From the System panel, select Change Settings. After selecting the Change Settings, a tab will appear for the computer's description. Type for demo only, then select Change. You can now type the computer name and your work group. Then select OK. A new tab will appear and select OK to restart the laptop to apply the changes. In installing network driver, you can have a various of ways to do this, but I will use the device manager to update my driver. Go to the file manager and find this PC, then right-click on it and select Manage. From that, select Device Manager, then click Network Adapters. Right-click from the adapter, then select Update Driver. A tab will appear and select Search automatically for the driver. As you can see, it says the best driver for my device are already installed. In configuring network system, on the lower right part of your screen, right-click to your active connection, then select Open Network and Internet option. Select Change Adapter options, then right-click to our active connection. Select Properties, then double-click to the TCP IPv4. Select Use the following IP address, then type your IP address. Subnet mask will appear automatically, then type your default gateway and preferred DNS server. Select OK to apply the changes. To see if your configuration was applied, click Windows and R, then type CMD to access the command prompt. Type ipconfig to see your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. To check your computer connection, repeat the step to access the command prompt, then type ping, click space, type your IP address, and click enter.